Yeah. Good. When you coming out here?
Well, that sound like Gary. Yeah. Tell him I said, what up? Man, nothing. Trying to make this little video.
I told you about this. I might come out there.
These clippers cutting like they. You bitches cutting good. I don't know why. I ain't been used. Probably because I ain't cut nobody else since last weekend and shit.
Real shit.
Well, yeah. Yeah, boy, that seafood play good as a motherfucker.
Man.
Jay done been doing this shit with that.
Yeah, Jay, man, I called about who that was. Look, I had about 4 people call. About 4 people called Jay.
For real?
Yeah.
Cause I ain't gonna lie, everybody be looking at it and be like, man, this shit look good.
But they don't be thinking it's good.
Man, yeah, that shit good, cuz.
Shit, I told him, I said, cuz, I swear to God.
And you know, the female really be female love that shit, that seafood shit.
I got me a gun. I'm out them bitches before. Yeah, she like, ooh.
Mm-hmm.
Hottest place in the city, cuz.
Yeah.
I'm gonna tell you what you need to do though.
Food truck.
Food truck, yeah, but that nigga, cuz. All y'all be sitting outside, cuz.
Oh yeah.
After
Oh,
the
coming.
club.
Boy, what? After the club. And then, you know, I ain't gonna fake. People gonna buy it because nigga come out the club and be drunk. They don't care what they eating. Nigga just want something. Like me, when I come out the club and I'm drunk, man, I ain't gonna lie. I'm getting whatever that's right there. Whatever clothes, that's where I'm going.
What? He ain't even gotta sell all the whole shit on the plate. He can just sell some shrimp and some sausages or some shit.
Right.
Man, them people gonna buy that shit.
People gonna buy it. It's a dude already out there be doing. That's what's crazy.
He out of bed.
Yup. He always sell out.
Shit.
Yeah, Jay, yeah.
But them, hey, you be eating that shit too though?
Yeah, yup. I only ate it one time though. I've been meaning to catch one, but shit.
That's the cat with the dread.
Oh, it's my with the dread.
Yeah, okay, yeah.
They get crazy. Hold on, whose shoe it is?
That's my shit.
Oh, you been order some shoes out there?
Nah, he at the bottom.
Damn, what side of there?
13.
For real? Shit. Boy, you know what crazy? That's 2 of my feet, boy. I wear 6. 6.5, yep. That is like 2. Damn.
6.5.
I probably could put 2, both of my feet in that one shoe. What Gary wear, 10?
Yeah, Gary with 10.
Damn.
That nigga was 6.5.
Yeah. Boy, I got a little ass foot. Them 3s clean though. They had just came out though, didn't it? Oh.
I need a hoodie, but I'm gonna see if I can find a hoodie out there.
Relapse.
Yeah, probably like a white. You gotta be white. white, red, and gray. But navy blue.
Relapse at.
St. Vincent Mall.
You have some jeans in that bitch too.
Boy, do they?
Yeah, support the school up there.
This shit just be yeah. But they work. I mean, they be worth it though. But I only bought like a couple pair of jeans from out of that bit.
Yeah.
But shit, like, them bitches, I don't know. My head gained some weight, cuz, and them bitches tight as fuck on me. Shit, I paid that money. I'm with them bitches. I don't care how tight they are. Shit.
Fuck, I ain't got wear no belt with them bitches.
Boy, what? I can't even buckle my motherfucking belt up no more, boy. Love these motherfucking clippers, boy.
What them is, the
The
what?
Master.
The mouse.
The reason I like them bitches though, cause when they were growing up, boy, that's all that them barbers used to use.
Man,
Like,
what?
they used to use these.
Them silver
Them
ones.
70, yep, the silver ones, the 76er. I'll never forget, cause when I, as a little kid, I remember my barber, like, cuz using these bitches. I was waiting on him to pull these out, cause them bitches ain't hurt.
Oh, God.
Cause them 76ers, boy, nigga hair used to be so nappy, boy.
Yeah.
Nigga hair used to be nappy as fuck. Damn, my shit's funny. Fuck. This be the hard part, trying to keep that bitch up while I'm edging and shit. I'm ready for the little football season to start though.
Man, what? Man, I'm gonna catch one of them bitches.
That's what I want to do. I ain't never been to no damn NFL game. Like, never.
You been to the NBA game?
Nope. Well, yes, I have been to an NBA game before. Couldn't all this over, ain't it?
Yeah, all that shit like that.
Yeah, I've been to an NBA game. Shit, nigga went to, I think it was Dallas Mavericks and,
Man, me too, bro.
and New York Knicks. But why I fell asleep with that bitch, though?
For real? During the game?
Oh, God, during the game,
Damn, all
boy.
that noise in that bitch.
That's what I'm saying. Well, I ain't gonna lie, boy. I sleep through anything.
I see you fell asleep in the club before.
Man, cool. I'm tired. I can't fight it. I tried my best to fight it. When we was out there in Vegas, boy, I tried my best to fight that sleep. Cause I swear to God, I got up walking around, doing everything I could.
Michelob's club.
Boy, I was full of everything. I was drinking all type of shit. They had a nigga drinking. I was drinking. Matter of fact, they ain't have Michelob. I'm drinking Modelo. Modelo. Man, what else I was drinking? Modelo. Them niggas had nigga taking shots, Remy, all type of shit. Nigga go right to that bit, boy. Oh, it.
I was looking at your story, cause you were walking. I don't know if you were walking out the club. I don't know if you were walking out the fucking casino club, but
That's probably what it was. Casino.
cool.
Casino.
All that else, God.
Mm-hmm. Hey, boy. Niggas saying some shit out there. Niggas saying some shit out there, boy. Ain't gonna lie, I'm definitely gonna go back. Shit. But that club I went to, shit, boy, Dre's with it.
In that big cotton.
That bitch was crazy, but like, I ain't never had that type of club experience.
Vegas it is, cotton.
Oh yeah.
That's the next trip.
Oh, V-Town. Yup, man. Old Vegas. I really want to go to LA though. That's where I really want to go.
Vegas.
LA.
Oh yeah, I went to LA. Ooh, wow, you gonna love that shit.
Cause you had just went in recently.
420.
They're getting full of gas.
Oh yeah.
I ain't gonna lie, I seen some of that shit out there weed in Vegas. I was like, shit.
You ain't hit nothing?
Hell no. Shit, my ass gonna be out there tripping. I mean, I would have, but shit.
I ain't gonna lie, I was scared to hit that weed in Cali though. I seen that THC in that bitch.
Shit, they're different.
Ooh.
Shit, they're different, man.
The little white girl, she was like, I was like, man, I ain't used to no shit like this. Oh, y'all used to the little project stuff, hand to hand type shit.
Oh, God.
Hell yeah, fuck.
She ready to say, y'all used to the bullshit weed out there, huh?
Man, for real.
Hold
Man.
up, hold up, bro.
Man, you could taste the fucking difference.
Oh, I'm looking at this shit, cuz when we was out there at the end, we went somewhere. I'm just looking at this shit. I'm like, bro, this shit look potent. Hold it, man. On the back from the cotton. I'm trying to see. Fuck, I'm trying to think. Was that man, what club? Oh, okay, it was, man, it had Dre's. All right, we went to Dre's. It's at a hotel, right? I mean, casino. We went there. Then they got an after hour spot right under, like down, you know, on the next floor, underneath that club.
Yeah.
We went there. That's why I fell asleep at though.
What time it was?
Man, cause you know the time difference already changed.
Like a 3 hour difference.
2 hours.
Yeah, 2 hours. 2 hours.
So I'm in that bed. I'm like, back home I would have been asleep. Like we real did in the club, like turning up, boy. Real life in the club, turning up. Like I'm like, I'm not used to this shit. My uncle used to it, cause he stay out there. So I'm like, he used to this shit.
He stay in Vegas?
Cause stay in Vegas, boy.
How far he is from the casinos and shit?
Shit, he like 15 minutes. Well, nah, it wasn't even that long. It might be like 10 minutes.
He be blowing too, don't he?
Yeah, every day, all day. Every day, all day. Yo. Oh yeah, I had gave it to her. Yeah, she did. Yeah. Yeah. Oh yeah, no problem. All right.
They said be having the gems, boy.
Oh God. Straight gems.